Yes, our paint came in. Beautiful. $30, baby. You got all three: paint, primer, and finish. Look at what my kids did to my wall. Come on! Second thing you'll need is sandpaper. 80, possibly 120. You want to keep it as small as possible. You don't want to scratch. All right. If you want to know, and most of you know this, what type of paint to use, right here. Open your door and write down. You see that code? Color code 45P. Okay. Here we go. See this? You want to gently start working back and forth. You don't want to scratch it. You just want to gently take all the old paint out, all the flakes off. Okay, you see all those? If you don't get those off, you're going to see them later. You're going to pay for them later, right? So get them. Look at that. Like that. Boom. See that? Smooth. All right, clean it off nice. Let it dry. And you're ready for taping. Make sure you tape everything. Okay? Don't be scared. Come on. Look. All right, we're ready to go. Shake the paint up, baby. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake. All right, here we go. Coat one. Gently. Stay back about 20 inches. Boom. Second coat. Working back and forth, side to side. Never stop. Keep going. Go, go, go. Working back and forth. Look at, we're doing it, baby. We're doing it. All right. This is it. We're done. Booyaka Shark. As you can see here, I kind of messed up. You got to sand it nice. If you don't sand it right, you're going to have flakes like this. Oh, well, looky here, boys. Look at that. That looks pretty good. Don't you think? Yep.